Hello everyone, welcome back to Caring Guy. Today, we're taking a close look at this professional GPS screen drone, a powerful quadcopter designed for smooth aerial photography, long-distance flying, and easy control, all without needing a smartphone. If you're searching for a drone with a built-in screen remote, 3-axis anti-shake gimbal, and 5G GPS precision, this video is for you. At first glance, this drone features a compact folding design, making it easy to carry and store. Despite its small size, it feels solid and well-built thanks to its brushless motor system, which delivers stronger power, better stability, and longer service life. One of the biggest highlights is the remote controller with a 4.5-inch high-resolution screen. This means you can view real-time aerial footage directly, no phone required. And as a bonus, an 8GB memory card is included, so you're ready to record right out of the box. Now, let's talk about the camera. This drone uses a dual camera setup, a front wide-angle HD Wi-Fi camera for aerial photography, a bottom optical flow camera for stable hovering and positioning. Combined with a pan-tilt 3-axis gimbal and EIS electronic image stabilization, your photos and videos remain smooth, sharp, and clear, even during movement or windy conditions. With a real-time image transmission distance of up to 5 kilometers, you get crisp, low-latency visuals directly on the remote screen. Thanks to its 5G dual-antenna GPS system, this drone offers accurate positioning and reliable navigation. Safety functions include one-key return to home, low battery return, signal loss return. Even if something unexpected happens, the drone can automatically find its way back. The maximum flight distance reaches 5 kilometers, giving you the freedom to explore wide-open spaces with confidence. This drone comes packed with intelligent flight features that make flying easy and fun. Intelligent tracking, surround and orbit flight, waypoint flight by drawing routes in the app, palm control and gesture photography, headless mode for beginners, optical flow and GPS switching for stable hovering. You can control the drone using the screen remote or through the mobile app, which also provides real-time map positioning and route planning. It even supports simultaneous image transmission to 3 display screens, making it great for teamwork, training, or shared viewing. Powered by a 7.4-volt 1500 mAh lithium battery, this drone delivers up to 30 minutes of flight time per charge. The brushless motors ensure smooth and responsive flight, strong wind resistance, and higher efficiency and durability. Whether you're flying forward, backward, ascending, descending, or sliding left and right, the controls feel stable and precise. Inside the package, you'll find one GPS screen drone, one screen remote control, one battery, 8 spare propeller blades, USB charging cables, 2 user manuals, and 1 set of additional parts. Everything you need to start flying is included. So, who is this GPS screen drone for? It's a great choice for beginners looking for safe, easy flying, hobbyists wanting long-range GPS control, aerial photography fans who want smooth footage, anyone who prefers a screen remote instead of a phone. With its 5 km transmission, 3-axis stabilized camera, smart GPS safety features, and long battery life, this drone delivers excellent value and performance. Thanks for watching Caring Guy. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. See you in the next one, and happy flying!